Look at all of that goodness. Let me get you in there.
We gonna start this thing alright.
Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Cook Better, Live Better. And today's episode is going to be a super easy slow cooker honey garlic chicken. Oh my God, it is so very good. It's just a couple of ingredients. You dump it all in, set your slow cooker, and then the food cooks slowly for you while you're away. And I did want to say just a really quick disclaimer, because all crock pots are not created equally, or all slow cookers are not created equally. So I definitely want to caution you that as you prepare a meal in your slow cooker, that you make sure you understand how your particular slow cooker works, and that you're not placing your home or family in any kind of danger. So with that out of the way, I'm excited to bring you today's delicious recipe. I'm dumping it in the morning. When I get back from work later on today, dinner will be ready. I am going to garnish it with sides of mashed potatoes and broccoli. And if that sounds like a recipe that you're interested in, just keep on watching. And before I jump into today's recipe, I just want to take a quick moment to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any upcoming videos. Now let's hop into this tutorial. Okay guys, so here are today's ingredients. We again are making honey garlic chicken in the slow cooker, and it's just a few simple ingredients. So I'm going to start off by putting the boneless chicken breasts at the bottom of the crock pot. So I'm just loading those in. And after I'm done placing the chicken at the bottom of the crock pot, now I'm going to dump in all of the ingredients. And just a quick, the recipe calls for mixing it all together, but your girl didn't do that. I just dumped it all in there, and then I'll mix it together afterwards. But I've dumped in the chopped garlic, a quarter cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of honey, and after I finish trying to get all of the honey, which is a little sticky, once I get all of the honey out, and I'm working hard for the honey, I want all of it, then I'm going to put the ketchup in. I'm double fisting the measuring cups, but I'm putting the ketchup in. And I know you say to yourself, ketchup, but I promise you it's the secret sauce in this recipe. And that's about a cup of ketchup. And I'm working on that honey again. I want all of the honey out. As we know, this is honey garlic chicken, so the honey is one of the stars of the show. So now that I've gotten all of the honey out, now I'm just going to mix everything together right there in the crock pot. So as I said, the recipe says mix it all together in a bowl and then pour it in, but I took the shortcut and just dumped it all in, and now I'm going to mix it all together. I didn't have a lot of time this morning, so you got to do what works. So now I got everything in, and now the lid is on.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so now I'm going to just take a peek. Ooh, look at all of that goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat. Okay, and dinner is ready. We have honey garlic chicken with mashed potatoes and steamed broccoli. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Bye.